There's something soothing about the sound of a typewriter or a clicky keyboard. This is iTypewriter. It's a jailbreak tweak that gives your device haptic feedback and, of course, the all too famous keyboard sounds from a typewriter. You love that return sound, don't you? Now, of course, this isn't for everyone. Not everyone enjoys hearing, keyboard clicky sounds of a typewriter over and over. Ding, ding, ding. Yeah. But for those of you who do, you can head over to Cydia and download iTypewriter now. You see you can enable both the typewriter sound and the haptic feedback independently of one another. So if you don't want the vibration going on, then you can disable that as well. Make sure though that you turn off the keyboard click sounds in the settings sounds section of your settings app, or else this will not work. So just keep that in mind. iTypewriter is available for 99 cents on Cydia's ModMyi repo. If you're looking for authentic typewriter sounds, then look no further. Let me know what you think in the comment section. This is Jeff with iDownloadBlog.